Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is computing IDFT using direct method or by formula method, which I have explained it using a problem. Okay, let us start the problem. The given question is compute IDFT of capital X of k, which is given as 9 comma minus 1. It's a 2-point DFT. So what we are doing? Let us start the solution. IDFT of capital X of k will give small x of n. Small x of n is what? A time domain sequence, a discrete time sequence. Its formula is 1 by capital N, capital K is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k e to the power of j 2 pi k by n. This is IDFT formula. What is IDFT formula? X of n is equal to 1 by capital N, k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k e to the power of j 2 pi k n by capital N. So, in this given question there are two samples. So, capital N value is 2. What is k varying from? K is varying from 0 to n minus 1. So, k is 0 to n minus 1, capital N is 2. So, k is 0 comma 1 and small n, this small n is varying from 0 to capital N minus 1. So, small n is coming to be a 0 comma 1. So, what is given? X of k is given. We have to find x of n. For that we have to find what is x of 0 and x of 1. So, let us start first for x of 0. X of 0 means when n is equal to 0. When n is 0, what will say this as x of 0. So, which I have written it here, x of 0 is equal to 1 by capital N. Capital N is 2. 1 by 2 summation k is equal to 0 to n minus 1. So, 0 to 1. Capital X of k e to the power j 2 pi k n. What is n here? N is 0 by 2. So, next what it will be? 1 by 2 summation k is equal to 0 to 1 capital X of k, this is e to the power of 0. It is coming to be as 1 by 2 summation k is equal to 0 to 1 x of k. Why? Because e to the power 0 is 1. So, now expand this summation. 1 by 2, first put k is equal to 0, x of 0, next k is equal to 1, so x of 1. What is x of 0 value? What is x of 0 value? 9. X of 0 is 9, x of 1 is minus 1. So, it is coming to be as 9 minus 1, that is 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. So, what is small x of 0? It is coming to be as 4. What is next step? We have to find what is x of 1. What is x of 1? That is when n is equal to 1, we will get x of 1. What is x of 1? 1 by capital N, that is 1 by 2 summation k is equal to 0 to n minus 1, that is k is equal to 0 to 1 capital X of k e to the power of j 2 pi k n is 1 by capital N is 2. So, it is coming to be as 1 by 2 summation k is equal to 0 to 1 capital X of k e to the power of j, 2 get cancelled. So, it will be j pi k. Now, expand this summation for k. Small x of 1 is equal to 1 by 2, put k is equal to 0 1, first k is equal to 0, x of 0 e to the power of 0 plus capital X of 1 k value is now 1. So, it becomes e to the power j pi. It comes to be as 1 by 2. What is x of 0 value? X of 0 value is 9 plus x of 1 is minus 1, e to the power j pi, that is cos pi plus j sin pi. What is sin pi? It is coming to be a 0. So, cos pi is minus 1. So, how much it will come? 9 plus this is minus 1 and this is 0. So, it will be minus 1 1. 10 by 2, that is coming to be as 5. So, x of 1 is coming to be as 5. So, we got x of 0 as 4 and x of 1 as 5. Now, we can write what is x of n. What is x of n? X of 0 comma x of 1. How much it is? 4 comma 5. And this is x of n. I hope the solution is clear. What is given to us? Capital X of k is given. How much it is given? 9 comma minus 1. You have computed IDFT. You have applied IDFT using formula method. What is the formula? X of n is equal to 1 by capital N summation k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 capital X of k e to the power j 2 pi k n by capital N. So, x of k is given. You have computed small x of n discrete time sequence, which is coming to be as 4 comma 5. I hope the class is clear to you. If you have any queries, post in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck, students.